has always mocked the man who sees what does not yet exist. He ridiculed the dreamer who spoke of machines that could fly, of voices carried across oceans, empires, from nothing but imagination. History is not written by the doubters, carved brick by brick by the visionaries, those bold enough to believe that the images in their minds were more real than the opinions of the crowd. You become what you see in your mind, so see more, because the battlefield of success is not out there, it's in here. It's war you fight morning when your alarm rings, in the choice to stay average or become exceptional. And the picture you allow yourself to hold when no one's watching, that picture is your destiny. Every fortune, every revolution, every unshakable legacy began not with money, not with luck, not with talent, but with vision. Carnegie saw steel bridges spanning great rivers before a single beam was forged. Henry Ford saw a car in every driveway while the world still rode horses. Disney saw castles and magic kingdoms while he was sleeping in a mouse-infested office with barely enough coins to eat. And they all had one thing in common. They refused to let go of the image they held in their mind even when life mocked them, rejected them, and knocked them bloody. What do you see when your eyes are closed? That vision, it's not a fantasy. It's a blueprint. Eat it with belief. It becomes your compass. But here's the truth. Most people will never tell you. The world is trying to rob you of that vision. Every scroll, every critic, every past failure. Settle, shrink, be realistic. But realism has never built empires. The men who changed the world were unrealistic. They demanded the impossible, made it inevitable. The first step is belief, not in the world, not in the system, but in yourself. 'Cause the mind, when properly directed, is the most powerful force in existence. We heard it said before, become things. This is not a cliche. This is law. You cannot manifest what you do not first see. The mind is a projector, and the world reflects what you play on the reel. Fear, and you'll see barriers. Feed it faith, and you'll start breaking through walls you thought were unmovable. But without clarity is chaos. Must be trained like a soldier every day, every hour. You must see it so clearly that your subconscious begins to bend the universe toward it. You must feel it in your bones, taste it in your imagination, because what you obsess over, you begin to attract. Not magically, mechanically. Your mind will begin noticing patterns, seizing opportunities, aligning behavior. This is not luck, it's neural wiring. And yet, most people walk around blind. They have eyes but no vision. They see obstacles but never opportunity. They crave more but visualize less. They repeat the same thoughts, same patterns, same excuses, and wonder why nothing changes. You are not most people. If you were, you wouldn't be here. You wouldn't be listening to this voice, a voice echoing the truth that's been buried under years of doubt, rejection, and compromise. The truth that you were meant for more. But dreaming bigger is not fantasy, but responsibility. Because once you truly see the life you were born to live, you can't pretend you don't know. Can't unsee your potential. You can't hide behind average and call it safety. So now you face the mirror. And the question is not, can I do it? The question is, are you ready to pay the price? 'Cause vision is expensive. It will cost you comfort. It will demand sacrifice. It will isolate you from those who fear change. It will test your resolve. But what it gives in return is freedom, fulfillment, and a legacy that will whisper your name long after your bones are dust. Dream bigger, because the size of your dream determines the size of your fight. The size of your dream determines the size of your fight, and the world will test you. It will always test those who dare to dream beyond its limits. It will laugh at your ambition. It will offer you comfort wrapped in mediocrity. It will seduce you with distractions and poison you with doubt. It will ask you over and over again, are you sure? But here's the secret, the greats. New resistance is the proof you're on the right path. The universe doesn't challenge the small thinker. It doesn't bother the man who's already defeated. It only tests the ones carrying the blueprint of something greater. It tests those who are building something eternal.